This is the FFR Trading Market Minute. And again, this is a daily candlestick chart of the SPY that we track week to week. I was anticipating earlier that we would get a rally, and ideally that rally would take out the all-time high, which is the blue line that I've got here, horizontal line. And then we would pull back. The bulls would be able to hold that support and then go on to make another new all-time high. Well, we got the pattern, right? We got the rally, we got the pullback, and the third leg, which just took out this prior swing high here, but it was below the all-time high. Now, as the market sold off earlier into the end of last week and early this week, our oscillator here became oversold, letting us know that, hey, market is getting ready to turn again and put a bottom and rally here. Well, we got that rally, but the fly in the ointment came this morning. This is Thursday, 8:30 a.m., when the Consumer Price Index was released. And that report did not look good. The inflation basically on the CPI was hotter than expected. And so that, you can see we're putting in a nice red candle here, selling off pretty good today so far. We're only about 11 a.m. here Eastern time. So we do have time to see what will happen from here. But obviously that throws a wrench in potential Fed cutting interest rates and things like that. That puts that into jeopardy. So we're going to have to follow this, right? But the risk is that, we kind of put in a double top here, and if the expectations are not what we thought they were, the market may have to correct. That correction, we'll see. We'll see where we close today, right? The RSI is starting to close or starting to move below its moving average here. And so whatever the low ends up being today, right, if that is still true at the end of the day, if that RSI is below its moving average, whatever the low ends up being today on Thursday, if they can take that low out tomorrow on Friday, chances are we'll get more follow through to the downside. All right, if they cannot, all right, chances are we'll probably get some kind of inside day. Maybe we're going to consolidate a bit, but I think we're going to be on pause, as far as new all-time highs in the SPY until I think the markets have been able to kind of sort this out. But the next support, well, you're going to have some support here where the swing low is here that we just put in. But below that, this is kind of the last area where probably big institutional buyers came in after this consolidation and pushed the market up here. All right, so look for a potential pullback into the swing low here or into the, we'll call it the demand zone down here. Or we may just kind of consolidate here. I think the all-time highs are going to be on hold for a bit here. All right, we'll see. Economic data set to be released next week. On Tuesday, Empire State Manufacturing. Wednesday, we've got retail sales and the Fed's beige book at 2 o'clock. Thursday, housing starts, initial jobless claims, existing home sales, and Philly Fed. And Friday, consumer inflation expectation and Michigan consumer sentiment. Hope that helps. Have a great rest of your trading week, and we'll see you back next week in the FFR Trading Market Minute.